What if I told you that you could make $1,000 in just 1 week without a degree, without years of experience, and without even leaving your house? Sounds interesting, right? Well, there is a company called Invisible Technologies, and they are paying people all over the world, including Nigeria, across Africa, and the US, to do what I like to call invisible jobs. These are the behind the scene tasks that help artificial intelligence work properly. And you don't see these jobs in big flashy ads, and you don't even hear about them on TV, but they are real. Also, people are actually earning life changing money doing these jobs. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is this another online scam? Well, the answer is no. This isn't freelancing, it's not dropshipping, it's not affiliate marketing, and it's not tutoring. This is straightforward work where your job is simply to help AI get smarter. And in this video, I will explain how it works, how people are earning $1,000 a week, and most importantly, how you can get started even if you're starting with nothing. Now, let's be honest, making money online can feel confusing. Maybe you searched for opportunities before and ran into scams, or maybe you found something that looked real, but it required too much money upfront, or it was just too complicated for you. That's the problem most people face. In this company, the work doesn't require you to sell anything, talk to customers, or even have a degree. It's just simple tasks that AI companies desperately need humans to do. And Invisible Technologies hire people from all over the world to do exactly that. So I know you'll be asking, what does this job look like? Well, let me break it down. You might be checking AI responses and choosing which one is correct. You might also be labeling images or piece of text so the AI can learn better. You might be rating how natural or useful an answer sounds. And if you have knowledge in areas like maths, science, or you speak another language, you can work as a specialist reviewer, and those roles usually pay even more. It sounds simple, and honestly, it is. But the impact is huge because AI cannot train itself without human feedback. That's why these jobs are important. Now, let's talk about what everyone really wants to know, which is the money. People are earning anywhere from $10 to $30 an hour. And if you work 25 to 30 hours a week, you could easily cross $1,000 in a week. And here is the best part, you don't have to be in the US or Europe. People in Africa are already doing this right now. Nigerians, Ghanaians, Kenyans, anyone can apply and get paid if they meet the requirements. Let me give you an example. I came across someone who started doing basic annotation tasks at around $12 an hour. Nothing huge at first, but they were careful. They followed instructions and they didn't rush. After some time, they were given access to better paying tasks like $20 an hour, then $25. Within a month, they were working steady hours and earning more than $1,000 every week. That covered rent, food, bills, and even left money to save. And all this was done from home, no degree needed. So, how do you get in? It's not complicated. Go to Invisible Technologies official website and check out their open roles. Look for positions like AI trainer, data annotator, or specialist reviewer. Read the requirements carefully. Most roles only ask for good English, attention to details, and ability to work online. When you apply, you will likely be asked to complete a text task. And this step is very important. My advice, don't rush. Read every instruction twice and make sure your answers are accurate. That's how you pass. And if you're invited to an interview, here are some common questions they might ask. Number one question is, why do you want to work with Invisible Technologies? A good answer is that you're reliable, passionate about AI, and want to help improve technology. Number two is, how do you stay focused while working remotely? You could mention having a good quiet workspace, good time management, and avoiding distractions. Number 3 is, can you give an example of paying attention to details? You can share a real example, even something small like checking forms carefully or spotting mistakes others missed can also help. Once you're in, the key is consistency. Do your tasks well, improve your speed while maintaining high quality, and soon you will unlock better paying opportunities. That's how people move from simple tasks to earning $1,000 a week. So, who is this really for? These are for students who need a side income, parents who want to work from home, fresh graduates without much job experience, people in Africa who want to earn in dollars without relocating, and even full timers who are tired of their 9 to 5 jobs. Now, imagine this for a second. You wake up, make your coffee, open your laptop, and spend a few hours completing tasks that help AI. No commuting, no boss breathing down your neck, no chasing clients, just clear, structured work that pays you in dollars. And by Friday, you check your account and see $200, $500, maybe even $1,000 added. How would that change your life? Well, that's the opportunity right in front of you. So here's my advice. After watching this video, check out Invisible Technologies. Go through the role, apply, and give it a try. If you've been searching for how to make money online and felt frustrated, this could be the answer you've been looking for. And before you go, I would love to hear from you. Would you try this? Please drop your thoughts in the comment section. Have you ever applied to Invisible Technologies before? Your experience could help someone. And if this video helped you, tap the like button so more people can see it. And please don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be posting more legit ways to make money online, real opportunities. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, the invisible work you start today could be the visible freedom you enjoy tomorrow.